How to make internship report in the MS Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word on your device. Then click on File at the top left corner of your screen. In here, click on More Templates, which is on the right side. After you click on More Templates, you'll find all the templates. In here, scroll down to the bottom and click on templates.office.com, which will lead you to this page. In here, in the search Internship Report front page and then press on Enter. It will find you all the templates. Select the template you want to edit. Then press on Customize in Designer, which is on the left side. Then it will open editing page. In there you can edit everything like text, change font size. After you're done, you'll be able to add this in your Microsoft Word as well. This is how to make internship report in the MS Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.